Hey everyone, my order came in from Girlie Girl Creates Michelle H with 2 L's in the Michelle. She had a YouTube sale, and I had bought some of her papers on Facebook before, and they were amazing. So I kind of went pig crazy. Okay, I got a folder. I don't know. Look at this stuff, guys. Look at this paper. I mean, this is beautiful paper. This is awesome. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Simply so I can go through every page of it. Ah, feels so good. She does an awesome job. It's just, I've tried to do this, I can't do it. For one thing, I like patience. I like a lot of patience. So yes, this is awesome crinkly goodness here. This is going to make some beautiful journals. I just can't wait. Y'all are going to be seeing me do nothing but making journals for a while. I love them. I love them. They are, Michelle, this is outstanding, awesome, and beautiful paper. So then, okay, I'm just going to put it all in one bigger envelope, so I have it all together. This is 2 different kinds in here. This is super cool looking. Yeah, I did order, no, this is a combo pack. I got 2 combo packs of the same design, so I'm just going to show you one. If I can open it, that is. So it appears to be the same paper as the other pack, which is awesome. Look at this. These are index cards. I mean, look at this work. Holy cow. These are larger index cards. There's 2 of these. And little CD holders. These look great with a vintage picture inside. And this is envelope. A couple of tags. And a larger envelope. Oh my god, I love this. I absolutely love this. And I have some awesome journals. Now, I don't know, I haven't heard it said, if Michelle does have an Etsy shop. But if she does and anybody knows, let me know. Or if she sells somewhere online, let me know. The only time I've seen her paper is when she does like a... She's posted some in my selling group before, and of course I bought it. And I've seen her do them on YouTube, but wow. Girl, you should go into business if you don't already have it, because this is freaking awesome paper. And like I said, I can't do it, so therefore I buy it. Look at this. These are, oh, look at this. Okay, now this is just too brilliant. I have to know how she did this. There is no way I could do that through a stencil. I mean, it would just be everywhere. This is awesome paper. Come on now, really? Seriously, you did this with stencils? It's coffee dyed. I mean, you can see it's coffee dyed. How in the world? Wow. I have this stencil too. No way. It'd be all smeared everywhere. Hey, I can make some nice messy ones. Look at this. I don't get it. I just don't get it. How do people do this stuff? It is awesome, Michelle. You could be selling this on Amazon. Seriously, you're making big bucks. And I love this page. I absolutely love this page. Kind of reminds me of Braille writing. Okay, I don't want to hear anything about the next 3 cards. I know I'm going to hear something. I got 1, 2, 3 of the pink. Come on, y'all know me in pink. But I got 2 of the kits, which are going to make a great journal. And then I got 1 of the regular that'll be extra paper. And I got a journal right here. Right here. All the paper I need for a journal. Okay, go ahead, say something. But it's pink! And it's beautiful! Look at how beautiful this paper is. I'm thinking it's like the first coffee dye, but now that I look at it, it looks like it is a different pattern. Oh, I love the way this paper feels. Wow. I just don't get it. How do people do this? And I don't know if she mentioned what she dyed with or not. I wasn't paying that much attention. I was too busy getting my meat in before it was all sold. Oh, listen to that paper. Oh. This is going to make an amazing freaking journal. No doubt about it. For those that love pink. But this would be awesome for a preteen. And grandmas here love to buy journals for their granddaughters. I love it. I can't wait to make a journal with this. This may be my first one. Although I had planned a vintage one, I think this may have to be the first one. So check her out. It's Girly Girl Creates, Michelle H with 2 L's in the Michelle. She's here on YouTube. I don't know if she has a Facebook group or not. But you can leave her a message on YouTube and ask her, hey, do you have any more paper for sale? Did you sell it all? Or, you know, ask her if she does special orders, because that might be my next question. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.